Assalamualaikum. My name is Janatun Nurmi. My varying ID is 181298080. First of all, I would like to express my gratitude towards our Honorable Faculty MD Abul Kalam Azad Sir for giving me this opportunity to say something here. Today my presentation topic name is cell differentiation and its role in cancer. So the first question is, what is cell differentiation? Differentiation or integration is a cellular process often seen in more vessel-like forms such as worms and amphibians, in which a partially or terminally differentiated cell reverts to an earlier developmental stage, usually as part of a regenerative process. Differentiation also occurs in plant cells. In cell culture can lose properties they originally had, such as protein expression or change shape. How cancer differ from normal cell to cancer cell? In normal cells, hundreds of genes intricately control the process of cell division. Normal growth requires a balance between the activity of those genes that promote cell proliferation and those that suppress it. It also relies on the activities of genes that signal when damaged cells should undergo apoptosis. Differentiation in cancer cell. A hallmark of many malignant tumors is the differentiated cells bearing little or no resemblance to the normal cells from which the cancer originated. A silent feature of the differentiation is the presence of giant cells with multiple copies of genomic DNA referred to as polyploid giant cancer cells. A spontaneous differentiation of tumors. Human neuroblastoma. It has been known for some time that certain cancers can differentiate to more benign tissues. Spontaneous regressions of human neuroblastoma with the conversion of neuroblastoma or ganglioneuroblastoma to benign ganglioneuroma have been reported. Dyke and Malky suggested that neoplastic cells had differentiated to benign ganglioneuroma cells, resulting in a control of the patient's disease. Such examples from the clinical literature, although rare, have prompted investigators to consider whether triggering maturational events in cancers might lead to the arrest of proliferation, invasiveness, or metastasis of human neoplasma. Induction of differentiation in cancer cells. The mechanism responsible for this change in teratocarcinoma stem cells or neuroblastoma cells are unknown. Many investigators, however, have searched for factors or inducers that are produced by normal cells and might trigger maturational events in cancer cells. For many years, the laboratory of Sussex has been engaged in a study of a protein synthesized by normal cells that induces differentiation in leukemia cells. The protein, called macrophage granulocyte inducer, is synthesized and secreted by mouse fibroblasts and lung tissue. Medium conditioned by these cells and containing MGI or the purified protein itself can induce the differentiation of murine leukemia cells to granulocytes and macrophages. That's all about my presentation. Thank you.